So in this video we're going to go through some signal flow, where all the mics are coming into console and then go into Pro Tools, and I'll also show you what we're doing to affect the sounds on the way into Pro Tools. Okay, so we're going to do a quick sound check. Matt, can you just play the kick drum for me, please? So that's a kick inside mic on its own. And that's going through the Neve preamp. And we've got the kick out mic there as well, which is the Royer mic. Then you blend those two together. There's plenty there to make something sound quite good in the future. Okay, cool. Do you want to just do the snare drum? So this is just the snare top mic. Again, this is going through the Neve preamp and EQ again. Just taking out some 700 Hertz. And then we've got the snare bottom. Okay, and can you give us a kick, snare and hi-hat beat? That's just those two, and this is a good chance to get a level on the overhead mics as well. So this is just the overheads on their own. Again, similar to the kick and snare, these are going through the Neve 1073 preamp and EQ. And when we put everything in, it sounds like this. Okay, cool. Can you give us the same sort of beat but on the ride cymbal? So there you've got all the ride coming through, decent level, and then that mixes in with everything nicely as well. Obviously there's plenty of that coming through the overhead still, but having that ride on its own just gives you a little bit more control. Okay, and can you give us a bit of everything, including the toms, please? Okay. So all we've got on the toms, we've got the Neve EQ on there, but all we're doing is flipping the phase so that it's matching up with the overheads nicely. So when we put that back in with the rest of the kit, and you'll see that works nice all as a one. It's sounding pretty decent, it's sounding pretty tight. You'll see I've got the hi-hats panned to the left, as well as the tom and the floor tom and the rider panned to the right, and that's in drummer's perspective. Okay, cool. I think we're ready for some takes.